All right, olive skin. Olive skin is healthy, not a problem. It's genetic. I have olive skin from my Italian roots. And I'll note that olive skin is more common in Vata people. Sallow skin. Sallow skin is a little different from olive. I put them right next to each other because they can be confused. Because this skin of this person looks olive, but then you notice that the skin is really just not quite as healthy, right? There's something different about it. So I would call this skin sallow skin. Sallow skin is like slightly yellowish, brownish, greenish tint to it, and it's dull and lifeless type skin. It's parodied in cartoons. I don't know if you've ever watched a cartoon where the character smokes too many cigars and his face turns green. That's what I'm talking about here, although the effect is not nearly as dramatic as you see in the cartoon. It implies that there are pitta toxins in the liver. This can happen from a person just staring too long at a computer screen. Sometimes I feel like by the end of the day, I have sallow skin. And that's why at the end of every workday, I like to go for a little jog or get out in the sun for a few minutes, do some work around the house, work on my fence in the back, etc. All right. So remedies for sallow skin: cleanse your liver with Kaduchi or Bhumi Amalaki. Support liver health with levotonics like licorice root, applesauce, and coconut oil. Go outdoors, get some sunshine, and avoid consumption or exposure to toxins. And that could be anything from cigars to alcohol to paint fumes.